how to easily reveal hidden files and folders on Windows 11. This is a quick and simple process, so let's dive right in. First, we need to open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows plus E on your keyboard. Once the File Explorer is open, click on the View. In the View tab, you'll see a checkbox labeled Hidden Items. Simply check this box and voila, all hidden files and folders will now be available. For advanced option, click on the Show in the View tab and then select Options. This will open the folder option windows. In the folder option windows, go to the View tab and click Apply and then OK. Now all hidden files and folders should be visible in File Explorer. You can easily identify them by their slightly faded icons. And that's it. You've successfully revealed hidden files and folders in Windows 11.